Is it time to buy or sell Ishares Bitcoin Trust ETF? In this video, we will explore Ishares Bitcoin Trust in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 23rd of January, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive complimentary price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 17th of January, 2025, our system has ranked Ishares Bitcoin Trust as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 2.31. Now, let's examine the ETF's performance during this time frame. Unfortunately, the ETF has not performed as anticipated, resulting in a loss of 1.39% thus far. This equates to an average daily loss of 0.35% since it was designated as a buy candidate. The exchange-traded fund is positioned within a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating further growth potential within this trend. The current 3-month trend suggests a possible increase of approximately 33.81% over the next 3 months, with a potential return ranging from 21.23% to 53.06%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it indicates a projected change of about 53.55% over the next year, with a potential return between 0.92% and 63.88%. This suggests a price range between $59.33 to $96.34 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Ishares Bitcoin Trust highlights a challenging day on Thursday for the Ishares Bitcoin Trust ETF, which experienced a decrease of 0.99%. On the last trading day, which was Thursday, the 23rd of January, 2025, the price of the Ishares Bitcoin Trust ETF declined from $59.38 to $58.79. Throughout that day, the ETF showed a fluctuation of 4.57%, reaching a low of $58.16 and a high of $60.82. Notably, the price has increased in 6 out of the last 10 days, rising by 7.3% over the past 2 weeks. However, the trading volume increased by 80 million shares despite the declining prices, which could serve as an early warning sign, suggesting a slight increase in risk over the next few days. Overall, 116 million shares changed hands for a total value of approximately $6.84 billion. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the highest price for the ETF was $61.75, while the lowest price was $22.58. Currently, the price stands 4.79%, or $2.96, below the 52-week high of $61.75, which also marks the all-time high for the ETF. Bitcoin's recent surge to new highs above $100,000 is reshaping the cryptocurrency landscape, and IBIT is positioned to benefit significantly from this momentum. Technical analysis indicates that Bitcoin is bullish, driven by strong price action, momentum, and volume, outperforming traditional indices like the S&P 500. This bullish sentiment is underpinned by the growing adoption of Bitcoin as a strategic asset, especially among institutional investors, which is expected to sustain price appreciation in the long term. Recent reports highlight a rising interest in Bitcoin ETFs, which are now outperforming gold, suggesting that Bitcoin is becoming an essential component of diversified investment portfolios. The ongoing institutional accumulation, led by companies like MicroStrategy, signals a robust foundation for Bitcoin's continued growth. Additionally, Bitcoin's performance over the past year, returning over 500% and a 119% return in 2024, indicate its volatility is becoming increasingly favorable for investors. As IBIT tracks Bitcoin's price movements, these developments could translate into short-term volatility, while the overall trend suggests a promising long-term outlook for its stock price. With strong endorsement from investment committees and analysts alike, IBIT is likely to maintain strong interest as it captures the dynamic shifts in the cryptocurrency market. The following signals have been identified for the Ishares Bitcoin Trust. The Ishares Bitcoin Trust exchange-traded fund holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, providing a positive outlook for the fund. Additionally, there is a general buy signal indicated by the relationship between the two averages, where the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support can be expected from the lines at $58.11 and $56.13. A decline below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. Moreover, a buy signal is present from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. However, some negative signals have also emerged, which could impact the near short-term trajectory. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Tuesday, December 17, 2024, and so far, it has experienced a decline of 3.19%. Further decline is anticipated until a new bottom pivot emerges. Volume increased in conjunction with falling prices yesterday, serving as a potential early warning. Therefore, the fund should be monitored closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots show a sell signal from 24 days ago. Bollinger Bands indicate a buy signal from 3 days ago. The short-term moving average also suggests a buy signal from 7 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average presents a buy signal from 7 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 4 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average shows a buy signal from 7 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a buy signal from 71 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages reveals a buy signal from 69 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Ishares Bitcoin Trust. On the downside, the exchange-traded fund finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $52.13 and $51.04. There is an inherent risk when an exchange-traded fund is testing a support level, as a break below this could lead to a decline to the next support level. In this instance, Ishares Bitcoin Trust finds support just below today's level at $52.13. If this level is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $51.04 and $49.57. This exchange-traded fund experiences average daily movements, and with a healthy trading volume, the risk is deemed to be medium. Over the past day, the exchange-traded fund fluctuated by $2.66 between its high and low, representing a change of 4.57%. For the past week, the exchange-traded fund has experienced an average daily volatility of 3.66%. Now, let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Ishares Bitcoin Trust. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Ishares Bitcoin Trust is at $59.62. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the ETF, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Ishares Bitcoin Trust encounters its first support level at $52.13. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $57.08, reflecting a decrease of 2.91%. This exchange-traded fund experiences medium daily fluctuations, which indicates a medium level of risk. A sell signal has been triggered from a pivot top identified 23 days ago. Is the Ishares Bitcoin Trust ETF a wise investment? Several short-term indicators, along with a generally positive trend, suggest that we may be looking at a buying opportunity. There is a fair chance for the Ishares Bitcoin Trust ETF to perform well in the near future. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price appears to be undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 24th of January, we anticipate that the Ishares Bitcoin Trust will open at approximately 467 ten-thousandths of a dollar and begin trading at $59.26. It is important to remember that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. We strongly advise you to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not be solely based on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. Here is our current perspective on the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us at Stock Invest.